we've got Jenny and Charlie here. So Charlie does all our social media stuff, and they're not very good at heat and spicy food. And Jenny keeps asking me at home to make jalapeno poppers. Now, our chili farm jalapeno is the heat level it should be. It's the proper jalapeno, not this crappy supermarket one. And I've told her if she can handle it here by biting a nice fresh chunk of it, I will make the poppers at home. So,
bring it on. Rude.
and bearing in mind, that's just the tip.
That's good. She's going to panic.
I've
But it's
had
good.
the seeds.
You can spit it on if you can't handle it.
Where's the chocolate milk gone?
It's quite hot.
I drank it all. I thought it was just for me.
Oh no. I'm alright.
I'm sweating profuse.
We need to go and get your chocolate.
No. Oh,
Maybe something dairy.
it's okay.
Sure? I was going to ask Jessica to help and grab you something.
I think I got a mouthful of seeds. Oh,
But what this does mean is now you owe me jalapeno poppers because that was fine.
You had the tip.
I didn't.
Another chunk.
Yeah, what's your point?
Have a nice little bite of that where you've got nice pithy placenta.
You just want me to eat a whole raw jalapeno now. That's what this game has become.
What a jalapeno popper is? You eat the whole thing?
Yeah, but it's filled with cream cheese, which would help.
And fried.
All right.
Very important step.
I will make it then. I will make it.
That's a deal.
Deal. My hands are clammy from the the other challenge we just did.
Oh God.
Right, so it's Izzy and I here right now, and we're looking at two of the funnier chilies we grow. I've got an erotica. There you go, a really big specimen. You can see why it's called erotica. I'm not going to describe why. And what have you got there, Izzy?
Peter pepper. I've got Peter pepper, which is, well, it's got a little dimple in the end there, if you can see. So
Yeah, so you compare that to the erotica, and the Peter pepper, it should be more Peter-like, if you want. But the phenotypes that come out of it is always weird and crazy. Whereas we've been growing the erotica for many years, and it's a lot more stable, and it produces more consistent erotic-shaped fruits.
I just want to talk about my favourite chili, which is the Sivri Biber or Biber, however you want to pronounce it. It's very low in the Scoville, so it's only at 1000. However, chopped up, and normally when it's green, not when it's red, it's really nice pickled and going into like Turkish kebabs. It's beautiful, it's lovely. So if you don't want something that's too hot, but you also want like a little bit of heat, and it's just nice sprinkled on top of lots of like cooler meals, then this is your one. I promise you it won't be horrible.
Hopefully the most trustworthy person to do this with.
Okay, hold your hand out. You have to give it a really good bite though.
He knows it with his eyes closed.
It's not too bad. No.
No? What does it taste like?
More like a bell pepper, this one.
Okay, that's good that you said that, because that is actually a Trinidad perfume, which is heatless.
Okay.
Yeah?
You're very kind to me.
Yeah, but I'm going to do another one, so...
If I feel any pimply fruit, I'm gone.
Oh, damn, okay. No, just don't touch this one too much. It's not fried chicken, I promise you. That's a tiny bite. No.
Oh, good.
That's not that bad.
What one is it?
Well, what do you think it is? What does it look like?
Looks like a hab.
Yeah, I mean, we have red ones, mostly.
God, it's hot.
The yellow Scotch got it. Just 200,000 Scoville. And that's too much for Ben.
Well done, Ben.
Why?
Because it looks identical to that.
Well, that's my picture. Yeah, here you go, actually. You can have a look. Don't know if you can see this one, but they look very similar.
Now it is Jason's turn to do some blind testing to see if he knows his chilies. Now, Jason's not been here as long as Izzy, so we'll give him a break if he doesn't get everyone right. But
Or any.
hands out.
Okay, hot wax.
Very good. Off to a strong start.
That was quick off the
Very quick.
Oh. Yeah,
I should have put both together.
I don't think I picked that one.
No, I don't think that's on for fresh.
Okay. Any clues?
Begins with an R, and it's got a jazzy sounding name.
Razzmatazz.
Yeah!
I
Very
remember
good.
the plants, but not the fruit.
Very good. All right, let's go for 3 out of 3.
Right, okay.
Come on.
That is...
That's a big boy as well, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. That is a...
Hold it up to...
I know it. I know it. Of course I know it. Yes, I have.
2 words. So
I know the first one's red.
Second one's red, actually.
Is it?
5, 4.
My mind's gone blank. I pick these all the time.
It's an Aki Red!
It's an Aki red.
It's
It's huge.